We now move to our second topic, vectors. If scalars are single numbers, vectors are lists of numbers, and you can think of them as data points with multiple features. Looking at the machine learning definition, a vector is an ordered list of numbers that represents a data point. In ML, every image, sentence, and user is converted to a vector before processing. In notation, we write x belongs to n double n. This means x is a vector of n real numbers, where n tells us the dimension or length of the vector. Think of a vector as a Swiss army knife. It can hold multiple pieces of information together, making it incredibly versatile for representing complex data. Let me give you an intuitive understanding of vectors. A vector is like a list of numbers that together describe something. So, think of it as a data point with multiple features. For example, a person might be described by age, height, weight, and income, and that is a four-dimensional vector. Now, here is why vectors are absolutely essential for AI. Computers understand numbers, not images or words. So before a model can process anything, we need to convert it into numbers. A vector turns an image, which is just a grid of pixels, into a format the model can process, meaning images, sentences, user profiles, they all become vectors, making vectors the universal data format of AI. Let us visualize a vector. In 2D, a vector is a point at coordinates x and y, or an arrow from the origin to that point. For example, x equals the list of numbers 2 and 3, which is a point at coordinates 2 and 3 on a 2D plane. Here are some examples of vectors. A 28 by 28 grayscale image becomes a vector of 784 numbers, one for each pixel. A sentence becomes a vector of word embeddings. So vectors are how we represent all the complex data we feed into our models. Now let us formalize vectors mathematically. We write a vector as x equals the list of numbers x1, x2 up to xn, and this belongs to Tnm. Let us break this down. X is the vector, often written in bold or with an arrow on top. x1, x2 up to xn are the components or elements of the vector, and n is the dimension, which is the number of elements in the vector. The notation x belongs to double m means x is a vector consisting of n real numbers, and it belongs to the n-dimensional real space. For example, x equals the list of numbers 2, 4, and 6, and this belongs to p fau q, which is a three-dimensional vector with components 2, 4, and 6. Think of it this way. If a scalar is a single number on a line, a vector is a point in space. In 2D, it is a point on a plane. In 3D, it is a point in our 3D world. And in higher dimensions, which is where most ML happens, it is a point in abstract space that we cannot visualize but can still work with mathematically. Let us make this concrete with a simple example. Imagine a 2 by 2 grayscale image. This image has 4 pixels, each with a brightness value from 0 to 255. Here is what that looks like. The top left pixel is 128, the top right pixel is 200, the bottom left pixel is 64, and the bottom right pixel is 255. To feed this image into a model, we flatten it into a vector. X equals the list of numbers 128, 200, 64, and 255, and this belongs to V square A, which means x is a vector consisting of 4 real numbers, and it belongs to the 4-dimensional real space. Now, the model can process this vector. It does not care about the 2D structure anymore. It just sees 4 numbers. The model can apply weights, compute predictions, and learn patterns from these numbers. This is how every image in computer vision is processed, from MNIST digits to high-resolution photographs. They are all flattened into vectors before they enter the neural network. Now let us connect vectors to real ML applications. In neural networks, every input to a neural network is a vector and the output is also a vector. For example, class probabilities in a classification task. In NLP and LLMs, words become vectors called embeddings. For instance, the word king might be represented as the list of numbers 0.2, negative 0.1, 0.8, and so on, which is a vector consisting of many real numbers, and it belongs to a high-dimensional real space. These embeddings capture semantic meaning, where similar words have similar vectors. In computer vision, Images are flattened into vectors of pixel values for CNNs, or they might be processed as patches that are then treated as sequences of vectors. In recommendation systems, users and items are represented as vectors. The system recommends items whose vectors are most similar to the user's vector. The key insight is that vectors are how you feed data to your models, master them, and you master AI data processing.